Good morning, students. In last session, due to some technical problem, I couldn't conduct the session. I will upload cash book, all questions in recorded session. So don't worry. Today itself, I will upload all the sessions of first 3 questions and petty cash book that will be uploaded later. Okay. So today's chapter, very important, rectification of errors. So say good morning, beta, every one of you. Yes, good morning. Before starting today's session, yes, basic rules of accounts. Today's chapter is really very important. So guys, make sure that you will pass all these rectification entries correctly. Today I'm going to teach you all basic 20 entries of rectification of errors. If you understand these 20 entries, you will find this chapter very easy. Okay. Chaliye. So first, basic rules of accounts, traditional approach. Debit the debtor, credit the creditor. Personal rule, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit, what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account debit, all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. In case of modern approach, if asset balance debit, liability credit, expenses debit, income credit, and capital account credit. So some pro formas, very important pro formas, debtors account. Let's understand this debtors account pro forma. Debit plus credit minus do balance brought down. It's a personal account, so having balances. To balance brought down to sales by cash, by sales return, by balance, by discount allowed, by bad debts, by balance carried down. Creditors account, credit plus debit minus. So by balance brought down by purchases to cash to discount received to deficiency to purchase return to balance carried down. In case of expense account, yes, to prepaid, by payable, to cash, and by IND. In case of income, it's a to receivable, by received in advance, to received in advance, by cash, and to P&L. In case of fixed asset, debit plus credit minus, to balance brought down, to cash, by depreciation, by loss on sale of assets, and to profit on sale of assets, by balance carried down. Friends, to understand ledger accounts is important task. So please by heart these pro formas at least by logical way, not only by heart beta. So logical way is very important. Okay. Gunjan Devi ji, Kashyap ji, Priya ji, good morning beta. Ruchita. Today, one of my student, Parth Shah, you can, yes, the Parth Shah from Gujarat, Surat, he scored 72 marks in accounts and 99 marks in costing, 99 marks. Hard work pays off and he believed only on ICI classes. So especially मेरे जितने भी classes थे उसने वही लिए थे and result was very less. But beta, your important one, your talent is important. He got AIR 15. तो आप लोगों से भी मुझे यही उम्मीद है, all of you, those who are watching my regular sessions, yes, stick to your study material, solve minimum 2 to 3 times all these questions, you will get success. Don't worry. Okay. तो चलो, good morning बेटा. रोहिणी जी, yes. चलिए, अकाउंट्स पेपर में पेंसिल यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? यस, कर सकते बेटा. ओके, चलिए. Start with rectification of errors. Students, please understand this chapter. If your basics are clear, then only you will understand this chapter. Rectification of errors. So it's my request, whenever you are passing any entry, you have to pass it by using beta apply your basic rules of accounts and then only pass these entries. Otherwise, you will find this chapter very difficult. So what is rectification of errors? Rectification means unintentional omission. You can see here, this is the unintentional omission or commission. एक सेकंड ना, मेरा चार्जिंग का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. So unintentional omission or commission of amounts and accounts in the process of recording the transactions are commonly known as errors. So beta, omission and commission are very, very important points. It may occur due to mathematical mistakes or mistakes in accounting policy. If trial balance do not tally, it is said that errors is accounts which requires rectification. So beta, if suppose if you are making any omission means what, sir? Suppose if I forgot to give debit effect. So if suppose if entry is purchase account debit to creditors, or मैं purchase को debit देना ही भूल गया, okay? So my credit balance is only recorded and debit is not matching, and that's why I need rectification because my trial balance is not matching. So friends, these errors may or may not occur. It affects the trial balance, but it affects may not affect trial balance. It may not affect trial balance. And therefore, these errors are called as rectification errors. Okay, so we need to rectify these accounts. If rectification is done in the same year, then without suspense account, so without suspense account means before preparation of trial balance, and with suspense account means after preparation of trial balance. Okay. Subsequent years book, then it is better in the next year, then you have to open P&L adjustment account. So rectification of errors, same year's book without suspense and with suspense after preparation. So बेटा please एक बार ये चार्ट लिख लीजिए, rectification of errors without suspense, with suspense, and in subsequent years book, then we have to open P&L adjustment account. Tell me over after writing this. Yes. So rectification entries, you have to open P&L adjustment account. Okay. So remember friends, here over beta, Have you written over? Yes, very good. चलिए. So same year's book or subsequent year's book. Now that we will understand while solving questions. Now, what are types of rectification? Now, error of principle. Now, what is, sir, error of principle? So, error of principle means, for example, if I paid rent. So, what is the rent paid entry, beta? Yes, tell me fast. What is the entry for rent paid? Tell me. What is the entry? Correct entry. And suppose if I have debited landlord account. So I have debited landlord account. So tell me what is the correct entry and what is the wrong entry. चलो जल्दी से मुझे बताइए what is the correct entry and what is the wrong entry. चलो जल्दी से बताइए. Trial balance. I already taught you what is a trial balance. Okay. So correct entry is rent account debit to cash account. Rent account debit. Rent account debit to cash account. Correct है. So rent account debit to cash account. But wrong entry is landlord account debit to cash account. You have debited landlord account. Tell me, rent is which type of account? चलो जल्दी से बताइए. रेंट कौन से टाइप का अकाउंट है? फटाफट बताइए मुझे. रेंट कौन से टाइप का अकाउंट है? रेंट इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट, सर. रेंट इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट. And landlord is personal account. Sir, on very first day, you taught us nominal accounts are transferred to P&L and personal accounts are carried to balance sheet. Logically clear? सो रेंट अकाउंट या नॉमिनल अकाउंट है. नॉमिनल अकाउंट कहां पे जाता है? तो पीएनएल में जाता है. और आपने डेबिट किसको दे दिया? सर लैंडलॉर्ड को डेबिट दिया. अरे भाई लैंडलॉर्ड को डेबिट दिया मतलब अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट को डेबिट दिया. तो पर्सनल अकाउंट कहां पे जाने वाला है? बैलेंस शीट में. तो आपका पीएनएल और बैलेंस शीट ये दोनों अलग अलग जगह पे जाएगा. तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. It is called as error of principle. So nominal account treated as personal account or real account is treated as nominal account. For example, if I purchase building, okay, if I purchase building, so building is which type of account? चलो जल्दी से बताइए. Building is which type of account? Yes, बिल्डिंग का अकाउंट बताइए. चलो जल्दी जल्दी चलो इन्वॉल्व हो जाइए. फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट. बिल्डिंग कौन से टाइप का अकाउंट है? जल्दी से मुझे बताइए. Yes, building is very good. Building is real account. But you debited repairs account. Repairs to cash. So nominal account. So you debited nominal account. What is called as? It is called as error of principle. It is called as error of principle. Okay. So error of principle, very easy question, beta. Error of principle means real account will be treated as nominal account or personal account. See, when you debit means you have debited something. And whenever you have debited something, your trial balance means that debit or credit, there are three methods. One is total method, balance method, and total and balance method. So beta, our that balances are matching. It won't affect your trial balance. Means your trial balance will agree. Agree means tally. Okay. So your trial balance will get tallied. ठीक है. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. Okay. So real account will be treated as nominal account or nominal account is treated as personal account. निसर्ग जिगर जी, स्पीड तो अच्छा खासा है, मेरा 145 MBPS स्पीड बता रहा है। अब नहीं हो रहा है ना? मेरे साइड से स्पीड में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिल्कुल भी। ओके, ठीक है, चले, लेट्स स्टार्ट वंस अगेन। स्टूडेंट्स, आई डोंट थिंक अगेन देयर वाज अ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम, पर मेरे साइड से नहीं है। सो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर्स, हाँ, आई विल शो यू अदर स्लाइड्स, डोंट वरी। So you have to understand types of errors. Okay. Suppose, what is error of principle? I already told you about error of principle. So how many errors are there? Understand. Okay. So where these stages of errors occurs? One, chalo, once again, at the time of recording journal entry, or might be at the time of posting ledger. So you remember that two words, recording is for journal and posting for the ledger. Otherwise, when you balance, means if you are taking ledger account balance to trial balance at the stage of balancing or at the time of preparation of trial balance, so error occurs at any time. तो आपकी error कहीं पे भी occur हो सकती है, जर्नल में भी हो सकती है, लेजर में भी हो सकती है, या बैलेंस करते टाइम भी हो सकती है, या ट्रायल बैलेंस के टाइम भी हो सकते हैं. So these are some stages of errors. Suppose if you are recording wrongly, that is called as error of principle. So first error is called as error of principle. So what is error of principle? Tell me it in the comment section. Chalo fatafat, tell me in comment section. Okay. So error of principle, error of principle is, yes, call it as nominal account is treated as personal account. चलो जल्दी से मुझे बताइए error of principle मतलब क्या? Nominal accounts is treated as, okay, error of principle means nominal account is treated as real account or personal account. Okay. Next one. Next is clerical errors. Clerical means computational. Clerical means computational. In simple language, it is called as computational errors. Clerical errors means error of omission. How many errors are there in clerical errors? Error of omission, error of commission, and error of compensating. So compensating errors. So chalo, give me it in the comment section. Error of principle क्या होता है? Error of principle, yes, everyone has written correctly that nominal account is treated as real account or real account is treated as nominal account. Okay. So what is clerical errors? Clerical errors means computational. Computational. So what are computational errors? Chalo yaad karo. How many errors are there, beta? Omission, commission, and compensating. Omission, commission, and compensating. Omission are divided in two parts. Completely omitting an entry from books. So if you omit any entry completely, and partial omission, omitting to post to the ledger from subsidiary. So there are two types of errors: omission, partial, and full. In case of compensating errors, now what is compensating error? Compensating error means suppose if instead of debiting Ram, we have debited Sham account. So instead of debiting Ram account, we have debited Sham account. So beta, it is called as compensating error. Okay. And what is error of commission? It's a computational. Commission means batata hu main aapko. Okay. If partial omission is there, your trial balance is not going to tally. And what is commission? Commission means wrong amount is kept in the subsidiary books, or wrong casting. Casting means totaling, wrong totaling. Yeah, posting wrong amount in the ledger, posting on wrong side. So anything which is you made a mistake is called as error of commission in computational errors. Okay, so commission is also clerical, that is computational. Omission means you omit debit, then it is a partial omission, you only recorded credit. And commission means wrong amount, wrong totaling, wrong side, posting. It is called as error of commission. Without wasting time to understand these errors, so I will tell you exactly which type of error is this. So while solving illustration, so beta, we will first try to understand basic concepts of rectification of errors. I'm going to give you 20 entries of rectification, which will clear all your doubts. So yes, once again, have a revision. First one, error means what? We have to rectify. Error is unintentional mistake. Unintentional mistake. If intentional mistake, it's a fraud. Okay, so there is a difference between error and fraud. Fraud, you cannot rectify. Okay, but errors you can rectify. Intentionally मुश्किल होता है मिलना बेटा, किसी ने intentionally books गलत किए. Okay, but unintentional errors you can find out. Now there are two types of errors. One is error of principal, second one is clerical. Principal means nominal account is treated as a real account or personal account, or personal account is treated as nominal account. Clerical errors are divided in three parts: error of omission, error of commission, and compensating errors. Omission is again divided in two parts: complete omission or partial omission. Complete means no debit, no credit. आपका trial balance tally होगा. Your trial balance is going to agree. But in case of error of commission, that is a wrong amount, wrong side, totaling error, all computational errors will be called as error of commission. And compensating errors means you have debited wrong account. Instead of Mamu, you have debited Ramu. Okay. So in that case, it is called as compensating error. Okay. सीता के बदले में गीता को डेबिट दिया. So that is called as compensating errors. Okay. So students, understand this concept very easily. Yes, एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल, देखो एरर्स मतलब जो आपने जानबूझ के नहीं किए. जानबूझ के जो करते हैं उसको फ्रॉड बोला जाता है. ये हम लोग जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहे. इट इज कॉल्ड एज एरर. तो एरर दो टाइप में डिवाइड होते हैं. एरर होता है एक प्रिंसिपल एरर्स और एक होता है क्लेरिकल एरर्स. प्रिंसिपल एरर्स मतलब क्या? आपने गलती से रियल अकाउंट को पर्सनल अकाउंट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट ट्रीट किया, तो इसको बोलेंगे एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. बट व्हाट इज क्लेरिकल एरर? क्लेरिकल एरर मतलब कॉम्प्यूटेशनल एरर. मतलब हम लोग जब गलती करते, लिखने के टाइम पे गलती कर देते हैं, तो ये गलती कितने टाइप्स की होती है? तीन टाइप्स की. एक होता है एरर ऑफ ओमिशन. चलो याद रखो, OCC. OCC. OCC, O for omission, C for commission, and C for again compensating. Omission again divided in two parts. एक partial omission और एक full omission. Full omission मतलब ना डेबिट देना है ना क्रेडिट देना है. ट्रायल बैलेंस तो टैली होगा ना बेटा, डेबिट भी नहीं क्रेडिट भी नहीं. पर एरर ऑफ ओमिशन में पार्शियल ओमिशन होगा, तो डेबिट दिया पर क्रेडिट नहीं दिया, तो ये केस में क्या होगा? ये केस में आपका ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली नहीं होने वाला है. कमीशन के एरर मतलब क्या बेटा? रॉन्ग साइड पे लिखना, रॉन्ग अमाउंट लिखना, 500 के बदले में 50 लिखना, सब्सिडी बुक्स में से पोस्टिंग करते टाइम, लेजर में लेते टाइम बेटा गलत एंट्री पोस्ट करना. तो ये सब अमाउंट गलत साइड पे या कहां पे भी गलती हुआ, डेबिट क्रेडिट में लिखते टाइम या अमाउंट लिखते टाइम, तो इसको हम लोग एरर ऑफ कमीशन बोलेंगे. एंड कॉम्पेंसेटिंग एरर मतलब क्या? डेबिट को डेबिट ही रखा पर आपने नाम बदल दिया, तो उसके वजह से ट्रायल बैलेंस इज गोइंग टू टैली, तो ये कॉम्पेंसेटिंग एरर बोलेंगे. यस, नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी यस कॉन्सेप्ट का क्लैरिटी प्रॉब्लम, देन यू कैन आस्क मी. चलो. Yes. चलिए फास्ट. ईशा जी, now slides are clear beta. I checked it on my mobile also. Yes, every one of you. Now it's easy. Easy छे. चलो जल्दी बत बोल दीजिए. चलो फास्ट. Beta, some students are asking me about cash book. Beta, cash book now, yes, in last session also, you remember that was a technical problem from my side. So now it's not possible. We have only 8 allotted lectures, but kabhi kabhi hota hai, and it's a rainy season in Pune, so it's very difficult. Kabhi kabhi ho jata hai technical problem. And Thursday is normally our load shedding day hota hai in Pune. आजकल because of problem हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के, तो पर आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. अभी तो यूपीएस का बैकअप भी ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 आवर्स चल रहा है, तो प्लीज एक सेशन मेरा गया था लास्ट टाइम का, तो वो मैं आपको रिकॉर्डेड में दे दूंगा. ये मैंने अभी आपको बता दिया था. यस एवरीवन. ओके ओके ओके, नाउ इट्स टाइम बेटा, नाउ इट्स टाइम. यस आदिश शाह, थैंक यू बेटा. नाउ इट्स योर टाइम बेटा. एवरी वन ऑफ यू नाउ पार्टिसिपेट. रेक्टिफिकेशन में जितना वन वे ट्रैफिक नहीं करना है, हमें टू साइड में चाहिए. ओके, बोथ ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल आंसर्स चाहिए. सो इट्स फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम. Everyone will answer. I will see who is answering very fast. So 20 entries. I'm giving you 20 entries. I'm going to teach you 20 entries, which will clear your all basic concepts of rectification of errors. Okay. And in next session, yes, I will give you 1 day for solving purpose के लिए आपको, और 1 day के बाद, today is my second last session, I think. कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. अविनाश जी, कंफ्यूजन की जरूरत नहीं. अंडरस्टैंड इन द सिंपलेस्ट वे. बाकी के बच्चे बोल रहे, प्राची इज टेलिंग सर, आशीष कुमार इज सेइंग सर इट्स वेरी इजी. बेटा प्लीज इंप्रूव योर बेसिक नॉलेज, तो आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. सुचिता प्रकाशन का आप स्कैनर बाय कर सकते हो. देर आर 2 ऑप्शंस, टैक्समन ऑल्सो एंड सुचिता प्रकाशन ऑल्सो. तो सुचिता प्रकाशन का आप टैक्समन बाय कर सकते हो. इट्स ओनली पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन. अदरवाइज यू कैन डाउनलोड. उसमें कैसा होगा, आपको स्टडी मटेरियल के अकॉर्डिंगली सभी क्वेश्चंस एक साथ मिल जाएंगे, पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस. ओके, टॉपिक वाइज. अदरवाइज यू कैन डाउनलोड पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूट वेबसाइट ऑल्सो. बट एक साथ सब एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे आपको टॉपिक वाइज. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई प्रेफर टू बाय स्कैनर क्वेश्चन. ये स्कैनर बेटा. सुचेता प्रकाशन सर, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप कब बनाओगे? ओके, चलिए चलिए, आई विल गिव यू नाउ दिस 20 एंट्रीज. नाउ इट्स टाइम. बेटा आई विल टेल यू, डोंट वरी. Number 1, write down beta rectification of errors. Write down sales book undercast by ₹100. Sales book undercast by ₹100. Yes. Now see beta, we will assume we are going to open suspense account. Assume we already prepared trial balance. Okay. So if trial balance is prepared, so suspense account is already opened. Okay. So we prepared trial balance. So suspense account I'm going to open in this. Okay. Assumption, you can write assumption. Trial balance is prepared. Okay. So trial balance is already prepared. Sales book undercast by ₹100. Now see, you have to tell me. I will prepare one chart for you. Here item, balance, item and balance, purchases. if undercast and last column is overcast. Undercast and overcast. Okay. Purchases, beta, debit balance as it is expenses. Purchase return, we have to cancel. So it has a credit balance. You can write this. Sales, credit. And sales return, debit. Sales return, debit. Undercast means you are showing it less. So if my sales book total is 1000, actual total is 1000, undercast means I have shown only 900. Undercast मतलब कम दिखाना, हमने उसको कम शो किया है. हमने टोटल लेते टाइम 1000 टोटल लेनी चाहिए थी, बट वी हैव टेकन 900 एज अ टोटल. एंड ओवरकास्ट मीन्स I have shown more amount. So beta 1200. Okay. So overcast मतलब extra amount show करना and undercast मतलब कम amount show करना. So overcast and undercast. Undercast means you have shown it less. Now increase the amount. So whenever you are passing entry for undercast, whenever you are rectifying undercast balance, the same balance you have to give. Okay, so in rectification entry, you will pass same balance. Okay, and in case of overcast, you will record it in opposite side because you want to reduce your balance. So how to reduce any balance? Opposite side. And when you are showing less, now you have to increase. So whenever you want to increase balance, you will show on the same side. So in case of undercast, it's a debit. Purchase return will be credit, sales will be credit, and sales return will be debit. But in case of overcast, while doing rectification, you will credit purchases. Rectification में आप purchases को credit करोगे, debit करोगे, sales को debit दोगे, and purchase return को credit करोगे. Okay? Yes, this is called as error of commission. This is called as error of commission. Very good. EOC. So what is the entry for sales book undercast beta? Sales book undercast की entry होगी two sales on the same side and suspense account is debited. Suspense to sales. Suspense to sales. So you are giving same effect. Okay. आपको सेम साइड पे इफेक्ट देना है यदि अंडरकास्ट हुआ तो. सो फटाफट टेल मी व्हाट यू अंडरस्टूड. चलो जल्दी से राइट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट एवर यू अंडरस्टूड बेटा. चलो फास्ट. यस, लेट्स चेक योर आंसर. दिस इज एरर ऑफ कमीशन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके अर्शदीप आप हमेशा सॉरी अर्शदीप आप हमेशा मुझे सेम साइड पे ये एक्सप्लेन करने लगाते हो, थोड़ा तो अपना नॉलेज इंक्रीज कीजिए, थोड़ा सा ट्राई टू ग्रास्प दिस थिंग्स। एक बार हिंदी में बताता हूँ, एनआरओ के भी लवलिन ने भी पूछा है, लवलिन कौर ने, कि सर एक बार वापस एक्सप्लेन कीजिए। देखो बेटा, आपको पहले तो बैलेंस आइडेंटिफाई करना है। सेल्स को कौन सा बैलेंस होगा? सेल्स इनकम है, इनकम डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम्स एंड गेन्स, तो सेल्स को क्रेडिट बैलेंस होगा। परचेस एक्सपेंस है तो उसको डेबिट बैलेंस होगा। सेल्स पर रिटर्न तो अपोजिट ऑफ सेल्स मतलब डेबिट बैलेंस, एंड परचेस रिटर्न मतलब क्रेडिट बैलेंस। पहले तो आपको यह समझ के लेना है कि अंडरकास्ट हुआ, अंडरकास्ट हुआ मतलब क्या? मैंने कम बताया, कम बताया तो मुझे अभी वो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। अभी मैं कोई भी बैलेंस, मतलब मेरा 900 डेबिट दिख रहा है और 1000 डेबिट दिखाना चाहिए था। सोचिए, मेरा बैलेंस 1000 रुपया दिखाना चाहिए था, पर मैंने अंडरकास्ट मतलब सिर्फ 900 रुपीज दिखाया। अभी 900 रुपीज दिखाया तो मुझे बैलेंस बढ़ाना चाहिए। तो अर्शदीप इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि मुझे परचेसेस को बढ़ाना है तो सेम साइड पे बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। सो डेबिट को मुझे डेबिट ही देना है, रिटर्न को क्रेडिट ही देना है। मतलब मैं एंट्री क्या करूंगा? परचेस को डेबिट दिया तो सस्पेंस को क्रेडिट करूंगा। आया समझ में? एकदम सिंपल है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या हुआ, एग्जाम्पल देख ले। एज्यूम करते हैं कि यस आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इट इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस फॉर्मेट। एज्यूम करते देयर इज ओनली वन एंट्री, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्रेडिटर्स। ओके, सो देयर आर ओनली टू बैलेंसेस इन अवर ट्रायल बैलेंस, परचेसेस and creditors. Creditors is showing 1000 balance and purchases is showing 900 balance. Okay, so my suspense account is on the debit side, whichever is short. I already explained you in the trial balance. Okay, debit side में दिखेगा suspense account. So my suspense will be on the debit side. Amount is 100. Now this 100 I want to cancel and 900 I want to increase. Okay, so purchases I want to show it at rupees 1000. So बेटा purchase को मैं क्या करेगा? Purchase को 100 रुपीज से डेबिट दूंगा and to suspense account को मैं 100 करूंगा. Purchases to suspense. It's very simple. Suspense I am going to cancel, so it is on the debit side. So cancel it on the credit side. थोड़ा increase कीजिए खुद को knowledge wise. Improve yourself. Overcast हुआ तो you will reduce it, that balance. So opposite effect for reducing it. Now it's simple. Beta. Yes. चलिए. Second one. Write down all these things. Note down in your notebook. Second one. Chalo, it's for you. Purchase return book. Overcast by rupees 500. Yes, tell me rectification entry. It's for your solving. Yes, try this. Purchase return book overcast by rupees 500. So what is the rectification entry? Yes. Purchase return book overcast by rupees 500. Tell me. Who is answering fast? नहीं बेटा, इसमें directly rectification entry you have to do. Prachi Chopra ji, you have to do directly rectification entry. No narration beta. It's very simple. Purchase return book overcast by rupees 100. Yes. Who answered very fast? Gunjan Devi ji answered very fast. Very good beta. Purchase return. Now purchase return. Purchase debit balance. Purchase return opposite balance. Credit balance. So it has credit balance and it overcast. Overcast means you have recorded it more. Okay. And when you recorded it more beta, you have to cancel that balance. So what is the entry? Purchase return account debit. Purchase return account debit 500 to suspense account 500. To suspense account 500. It's very simple. Yes, very good. Very good. Singh Rajiv Kumar, wrong answer. Kalyani Handeji, wrong answer beta. बेटा think ना, overcast. Overcast मतलब ज्यादा बताया. Those who have debited suspense account, think logically. If it is overcast means I'm showing extra. I want to cancel it, and I want to cancel it. Then I want to give अपोजिट इफेक्ट थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. Try to understand it. Try to grasp it. Everyone should get this correct answer, beta. If you see today's result of first group, it's only 12%. And second group even less than that. And both group beta 5%. So out of 100 students, only 5 students passed in the first attempt in both groups. So think कि क्या लेवल पे आपको एग्जाम देनी पड़ेगी, आपको नॉलेज कितना इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा. हर बात स्पून फीडिंग नहीं मिलता है. यू आर नॉट दक्ष. दक्ष मतलब मेरा सन बेटा, ही इज ओनली इन 3rd स्टैंडर्ड, तो उसको मैं समझा सकता हूं. जो बच्चे सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट परचेस रिटर्न दे रहे हैं यार, ऊपर लिखा है मैंने परचेस रिटर्न व्हेन रेक्टिफिकेशन गिव डेबिट इट्स गिवन, स्टिल यू आर आंसरिंग सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेस रिटर्न. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन. Next one, 3rd question, write down. Repairs account debited to building account. Write down. Repairs account debited to building account. Now understand the rule of rectification. First understand it. Okay. We will divide it in 3 parts. Correct entry, wrong entry, and rectification entry. Draw this format for full page. Full page format. Correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry. First understand, though you have some concept clarity, आपका पहले हो गया है, still you have to focus now. Yes, if you already done these entries in your 11th 12th standard, please have patience, understand my rule, and in same way you have to pass all rectification entries. So there is a rule for rectification. Understand it properly. Understand. Wait for some time. Don't answer immediately. Kanish Sharma ji, don't answer immediately. Understand the way. Repairs account. Now, what is the entry for repairs? Assume rupees 100. Assume rupees 100. Understand the way. Repairs account debit 100 rupees. Repairs account debit 100 rupees. To cash account 100. Repairs to cash. Okay, very simple. Repairs account debit to cash. But instead of that, now repairs is a nominal account. I have debited building account. It's a real account. Okay. So now building account debited, but a cash is correctly credited. So what is correct? Okay. Correct, mark it. Mark by pen. You can do only, yes, beta, tick. Okay. You can do only tick. Okay. To cash. Correct, beta. Okay. Don't use highlighter in exam. Okay. It is only for your clarity. Now, see what is correct entry. Cash, we don't want in the rectification entry. Rule is very simple. Same in correct entry and same in wrong entry. It will not reflect in rectification entry. So जो भी सेम होगा उसको आपको rectification entry में करना नहीं है. Now what is not in the correct entry and rectification entry? So what are uncommon items? Repairs. So uncommon which are not same, for correct entry we will give same balance because we want that. हमें वो चाहिए as it is. And wrong entry opposite balance. So this is the rule of rectification. First identify basic entries. What is done? Correct entry. Try to identify rectification entry. Then first step, same in correct entry with amount with balance. Same in balance also and with amount also. So no need in rectification entry. So highlight it. Okay. Or mark it, tick it. And which are uncommon. Now what is uncommon? Repairs account. करेक्ट एंट्री रिपेयर्स अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड, तो रिपेयर्स को आपको डेबिट ही देना है. I want repairs as it is. Okay. And I'm going to cancel this building because I don't want building account. Wrong entry mein hai. So I will cancel it. So how to cancel it? Not by scratching on it. I will give opposite effect. I will give opposite effect. So it's very simple funda. To building. Understood? Simple che. So repairs to building karwano. Yes. Debit ko credit. Opposite effect. And wrong entry go and correct entry same effect. Understood the technique? Yes. Tell me yes or no in comment section. Chalo beta jaldi jaldi batao yes or no. Yes or no. Many students are finding this topic difficult, but beta use my technique. It's very simple. 100 100. Chalo technique, got the technique? Yes, everyone has to apply the same technique. Chalo 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 fast beta fast. Yes. Very good. Very good. Wrong entry, reverse it. Easy check. Okay. Chalo, fourth one. We'll do fourth one. Write down. Furniture purchase. Beta, this is error of principle because nominal account is treated as real account. Furniture purchase wrongly debited to purchase account. Wrongly debited to purchase account. Yes, giving you time. Identify correct entry. Chalo fast. अरे भावना जी, कैश अकाउंट 2 बार कैसे क्रेडिट होगा? कैश को हमने क्रेडिट किया ही नहीं. रॉन्ग एंट्री के टाइम पे हमने कैश को क्रेडिट कर दिया था, तो वापस कैसे कैश को क्रेडिट करेंगे रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री में? कहां से आएगा रेक्टिफिकेशन में कैश अकाउंट? जो सेम सेम है उसको नहीं लिखना है बेटा. आपका एकदम इजी प्रोसेस है. आपका जो करेक्ट करेक्ट है वो आपको टिक टिक करना है. कैश कैश को टिक टिक करना है. फिर जो रॉन्ग है उसको अपोजिट इफेक्ट देना है. और जो अनटिक है मतलब अनकॉमन है रिपेयर्स अकाउंट, उसको हम लोग सेम साइड देंगे. सेम साइड फॉर रिपेयर्स एंड अपोजिट साइड फॉर बिल्डिंग अकाउंट. चलो फर्नीचर परचेस का बताओ फटाफट. फर्नीचर परचेस, लेट्स सी हु इज आंसरिंग वेरी फास्ट. Very good. Many students answer it. Very good, beta. Yes. Now this is also error of principle. This is also error of principle. Let's understand. Okay. एक second. Furniture purchase. What is the entry? Furniture account debit. Write down. To cash. What is wrong entry beta in this? What is the wrong entry? We debited purchase account to cash. This is nominal account. Furniture is a real account. So beta, what is same? Cash, cash. What is uncommon? Furniture, incorrect entry. करेक्ट एंट्री में जो होगा सेम बैलेंस फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट, परचेसेस विल गेट कैंसल, सो डेबिट को क्रेडिट, फर्नीचर टू परचेस. दिस इज एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. Very good, very good. Many students answered this. Very good. Yes. बेटा who answered? विपिन जी. अरे विपिन क्या कर रहे हो यार? Purchases to cash कौन लिखता है भाई? Rectification entry. Next one. चलो let's see. Amount of rupees 200, amount of rupees 200 received from Pratham previously recorded as bad debts, now credited to his personal account. Amount of rupees 200 received from Pratham previously recorded as bad debts, now credited to his personal account. चलो बताइए. Let's see how many of you can answer it. Priyanka Jai Singh sir, thank you. I am heartily thank you to you for improving my basics and taught you to think logically. Very good, beta. Yes, very good. अच्छा विपिन ने रॉन्ग एंट्री बताई थी. ओके बेटा सॉरी. तो लिखना ऊपर. मुझे कहां से समझेगा ये रॉन्ग एंट्री है करेक्ट एंट्री? आई थॉट यू पास रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री. बेटा आई वांट करेक्ट एंट्री. आई वांट करेक्ट एंट्री. कनिष्क शर्मा, आई डोंट वांट रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री. आई वांट करेक्ट एंट्री. हिमांशु छा गए बेटा, छा गए तुम तो. वेरी गुड हिमांशु. पूरा लिख के भेजा. करेक्ट एंट्री, रॉन्ग एंट्री एंड रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री. यस बेटा हिमांशु, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड. Some students are answering directly. Yes, Priyanka, very good beta. No, 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 wrong entry beta. Priyanka, wrong. Yes. Now what is wrong beta Priyanka? Understand. Correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry. Okay. Correct entry. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered. Very good. बट दिव्या रानी बेटा रॉन्ग एंट्री किया आपने. रॉन्ग एंट्री में भी रॉन्ग किया दिव्या ने. सो बेटा यू नीड रेक्टिफिकेशन का रेक्टिफिकेशन. बट यू रॉन्गली क्रेडिटेड, you recorded wrongly credited to his personal account. It doesn't mean that you have done debit wrong. You have wrongly credited. अरे डेबिट तो करेक्ट दिया रे आपने, क्रेडिट को रॉन्ग कर दिया रे, क्रेडिट को रॉन्ग किया. सो टू प्रथम. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज करेक्ट? करेक्ट कैश, कैश करेक्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज रॉन्ग? रेक्टिफिकेशन में करेक्ट एंट्री को सेम बैलेंस टू बैड डेट्स रिकवर्ड. And Pratham is getting cancelled. Pratham account debit. So those students who are wrong, beta, yes, please rectify your entry and yes, send the answer. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Every one of you who has written wrongly, beta, wrong entry, write down correct entry, wrong entry, and rectification entry CEWERE and send it in the comment section. Chalo, those who are getting wrong answer. Yes, those who are getting wrong answer, please send it. Chalo, 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 fast. Don't write everything. CE, WE, and RE. Chalo, fatafat, fatafat. And instead of beta, bad debts recovered, you can write BDR. Use shortcut. While sending the answer, use shortcut. Chalo, chalo, fast, fast, fast. Waiting for you. बहुत भारी बेटा. आशा जी, very good. मित्रा, आपने कुछ भेजा ही नहीं बेटा, जस्ट ब्लैंक भेज रही हो आप. यू आर सेंडिंग ओनली ब्लैंक मैसेजेस बेटा. मित्रा जी फ्रॉम साउथ. Yes, every one of you got this answer. Correct entry, cash to bad debts recovered. Wrong entry, cash to Pratham. Prashant नहीं रे बेटा, प्रथम है वो. Okay, and rectification entry, Pratham to bad debts recovered. Very good बेटा. Kanish, send full answer बेटा. CE. Yes बेटा, Bansuri Agarwal ji, I am getting your answers. Don't worry. Rectification मजा आने वाला टॉपिक है. Once your basics are clear, those students only can solve this paper questions whose basics are clear beta. Chalo, before break I'm going to take one important question. So now have patience for next 10 minutes. Okay, because it's difficult to understand, so I'm going to explain it minimum 2 to 3 times. Purchase book and purchase account. Okay, chalo chalo chalo, fast. Yes, ready everyone? Chalo. So now focus. चलो फास्ट फोकस कीजिए अभी. रेक्टिफिकेशन जैसा टॉपिक आप लोग लाइव में अटेंड नहीं करोगे तो क्या फायदा है. प्लीज अटेंड इट इन लाइव सेशंस ओनली. रेक्टिफिकेशन जैसे चैप्टर्स, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स. चलिए, अंडरस्टैंड विच वन दिस इज नाउ. सिक्स्थ वन ना. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट. Sixth entry, 6 and 7, and then after that we will take a break. Purchase of goods from Ram, ₹100, wrongly entered in sales book. Please understand. Wrongly entered in sales book. Okay. Okay, beta. And 7th also you can write immediately. So there is a slightly difference between 6 and 7. Purchase of goods from Ram, ₹100, wrongly entered in sales account. सर छोटा सा डिफरेंस है. इन 6th entry it is a book and in 7th entry it is account. Anyone knows the difference? Yes, anyone who want to guess? Yes beta, anyone who wants to guess beta? चलो, please 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 have patience. આદિશ શાહ કહી રહ્યા છે સર બ્રેક નથી જોઈતો. ઓકે, Beta Anjana, this topic is not interesting. Your basics are interesting. Your basics are clear, and that's why you are finding this topic interesting. Otherwise, students are normally, yes, I know those students, they are normally, they do not like this chapter. Why? Because their basics are not clear. You improved yourself in last 7 to 8 sessions. So that's why you are finding this chapter interesting, beta. Very good. What is the difference? What is the difference? This is again error of commission. Both are error of commission. Okay. Bansuri Agarwal ji, have you attended my previous sessions? Okay. Beta, when sales book, when we entered in the sales book, whole entry is wrong. Write down by red pen. Whole entry is wrong. When you are writing in book, and when you are writing in account, only sales account is wrong. Whole entry is not wrong. So in book, whole entry is wrong. And in account, only that sales account is wrong. Sir, please explain. Yes, we will pass correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry. Then you will find it easy. Okay? Chale, dhyan dijiye. When whole entry is wrong, suspense, no. Don't open suspense account. And only sales account is wrong. Suspense, yes, we have to open suspense account. Beta, very, very important transaction. Mark as IMP. Students are not getting the difference between these two. Yes. Understand. Entry number 6. First, I will write the answer of 6. Correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry. Understand. Sir, purchase of goods from Ram. If you are entering it in the book, it means beta, it is a credit transaction. So what is the entry? Purchases account debit. 100. Understand, please. Don't write it. I will give you time. First, understand. To Ram, 100. Ram is my here credit balance. Ram is showing credit balance, not debit balance. But what happened? My accountant, he entered it in the book. Book means whole entry is wrong. This is the principle. Whenever you are writing in the book, whole principle you are wrong. Means what? Beta, you have debited Ram and you have credited sales. So instead of recording it in the purchase account, you have recorded in the sales book. In sales book, whole entry is wrong. So beta, there is no Ram 1 credit, and in wrong entry it is a debit. It means there is no matching, no same, no same account beta. Once one account is credit, Ram, you will find, sir, Ram hai na? Are Ram 1 is credit and 1 is debit. How they are matching? No, sir. It's not matching. It's not same. So, sir, what is the rectification entry? Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit 100. Beta, correct entry as it is. then Ram account is credited 100. Wait, don't write. So purchase to Ram. Beta, now Ram we have to cancel in wrong entry. Sir, what is the rule? Wrong entry, opposite effect. Correct entry, same effect. So purchase debit, Ram credit. Ram, now wrong entry, beta. Ram again credited. Means to Ram, 100. So instead of writing to Ram for 2 times, should I increase the amount by 2 times? Yes. So this is not, I will not write 100 to Ram, 100 to Ram, 100. Instead of that, I will give 100 plus 100, 200 Ram account is credited. And beta sales account is cancelled. Therefore, sales account must be debited. It must be debited. Sir, entry is very easy, na sir. Purchase ko debit, sales ko debit, Ram ko credit. Sir, no suspense account. That's why I written over here. No suspense. Okay, sir. Got the concept. Purchase to Ram, Ram to sales. No same. So purchase को डेबिट देना है, राम को क्रेडिट करना है, वापस राम को क्रेडिट करना है. सर 2 बार राम को क्रेडिट करने से अच्छा अमाउंट को ही डबल कर दो एंड सेल्स को डेबिट कर दो. इजी है ना सर? कितना इजी है. परचेस को डेबिट, राम को क्रेडिट, राम को 2 बार क्रेडिट और सेल्स को कैंसिल करना है तो सेल्स डेबिट. अंडरस्टूड? यस, टेल मी अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? ओके ओके. अरे ओके क्या बेटा, बताइए जल्दी से. इजी है? लीजा जैन बोल रही है यस सर, इट्स वेरी इजी. तो बेटा देखो, एक बार बता देता हूँ, बुक में एंट्री गलत हुआ, हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. बुक में एंट्री गलत हुआ तो आपकी फुल एंट्री गलत होती है. फुल एंट्री सर मतलब क्या? परचेस टू राम एंट्री होना चाहिए था. परचेस एक्सपेंडिचर है, राम क्रेडिटर है, और हमने सेल्स बुक में एंट्री की तो राम को डेबिट दिया और सेल्स को क्रेडिट किया, मतलब होल एंट्री गलत कर दिया सर. तो अभी रेक्टिफिकेशन में बेटा सेम कोई है ही नहीं. तो है नहीं तो क्या करेंगे? परचेस को डेबिट देंगे एंड राम को क्या करेंगे? राम को कैंसिल करेंगे, सेल्स को वापस डेबिट दे देंगे एंड वापस राम को क्रेडिट करेंगे. तो बेटा राम को 2 बार क्रेडिट होगा, एक करेक्ट एंट्री का क्रेडिट, एक रेक्टिफिकेशन करते टाइम रॉन्ग एंट्री को अपोजिट इफेक्ट. तो राम को 2 बार क्रेडिट किया और सेल्स को डेबिट देना है, तो इसलिए ये एंट्री को परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट, सेल्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू राम अकाउंट, ऐसा एंट्री पास होगा. यस सर, इजी छे. हाँ, Bansuri Agarwal ji, she answered it. In 12th standard, sir, I have attended your some lectures, live classes. हाँ, that's why I told you ना. देख तुझे कैसे समझा ये इतना. Yes. Very good. Very good बेटा. चलो. Very good. चलो 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 चलो. वाह, अल्पित अंगल जी, मिस्टर मस्तान, he is telling me to explain it in तेलुगु. अरे बाप रे, तेलुगु नो बेटा. ठीक है, I will learn Telugu only for you बेटा, but in after 1 year. Okay. चलो next one. Yes. Now in next one beta, in 7th one, you have wrongly entered in the sales account, sir. So purchase account debit 100 to Ram 100. Beta, purchase to Ram 100. So Ram is credited, sir. Ram is credited. But you have wrongly entered in sales account. Okay, sir. Sir, it means whether Ram is cancelled, sir. No, Ram, you have recorded correctly. Ram को आपने correct ही record किया है. So Ram को credit ही दिया है. And sales account को which balance बेटा? Sales account को credit balance. So to sales. So to Ram 100, to sales 100. Sir, which account is debited? Suspense account debited. Suspense account debited. Sir, got the concept. Sir, RAM is not recorded wrongly. RAM is not recorded wrongly. Suspense account we have to open. Only sales account recorded wrongly. And therefore balance we have to write it in the suspense account. So which account is debited? Beta? We do not have any other account for debit. So suspense is debited. Okay. Now what is correct? Correct. RAM correct. Same. RAM same. Okay. Correct entry. Purchase account debit, sir. Correct ko correct side. Correct is same side. Suspense, sir, opposite side. And sales on the debit side. So purchase account debit, sales account debit to suspense. Got the answer? Okay. Okay. So now सेल्स अकाउंट एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूं. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू राम, बट रॉन्गली व्हाट वी हैव डन इन द सेल्स अकाउंट. सेल्स अकाउंट में गलत करना मतलब बेटा राम को करेक्टली रिकॉर्ड किया, राम को क्रेडिट ही दिया, पर सेल्स को क्रेडिट कर दिया और सस्पेंस अकाउंट ओपन होगा. सर ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन सस्पेंस अकाउंट, यस सस्पेंस अकाउंट विल बी देयर. तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू राम टू सेल्स. सो बेटा नाउ व्हाट इज करेक्ट? सेम क्या है? राम ये सेम है. तो परचेस को मैं डेबिट ही दूंगा, सस्पेंस को मैं कैंसिल करूंगा 200 से, एंड सेल्स अकाउंट को मैं डेबिट दूंगा. तो आप दोनों एंट्रीज में फर्क देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे टू राम आया और यहाँ पे टू सस्पेंस आया. परचेस को डेबिट ही होगा, सेल्स को भी डेबिट होगा, पर जब बुक में गलत होता है तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट ओपन नहीं करने का, और जब अकाउंट में गलत होता है तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट ओपन करने का. गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट? इजी है? यस. आई विल गिव यू बिफोर ब्रेक वन क्वेश्चन. यस, एवरीवन गॉट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट बेटा? सस्पेंस अकाउंट आएगा. एक एंट्री यू विल ट्राई. अविनाश जी, अरे सस्पेंस का अकाउंट इसलिए है, सस्पेंस अकाउंट क्यों ओपन किया? मैंने राम को क्रेडिट किया, सेल्स को क्रेडिट किया, तो बेटा डेबिट किसी को किया नहीं. डेबिट किसी को नहीं किया तो ट्रायल बैलेंस बन चुका है, और मैंने उसी टाइम पे बताया था ट्रायल बैलेंस जो बना होगा तो ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली नहीं हुआ ना, ओनली क्रेडिट दिख रहा है. और डेबिट में कुछ है ही नहीं सर, डेबिट में कुछ है नहीं, तो किसको डेबिट देने का? सस्पेंस अकाउंट को डेबिट देने का. कुछ भी नहीं होगा तो जब कोई भी अकाउंट को डेबिट नहीं दिया है तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट आएगा पिक्चर में. ऊपर क्या हुआ था? ऊपर डेबिट दे दिया, क्रेडिट दे दिया 6th एंट्री में, पर 7th एंट्री में क्या हुआ? ओनली क्रेडिट. आया समझ में? तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट आएगा, ये याद रखो. जब कुछ भी डेबिट नहीं होगा तो आपको सस्पेंस को डेबिट देना है. ओके. नवनीत मोतो जी बोल रहे हैं कि सर एक्सप्लेन रॉन्ग एंट्री. बेटा वेरी इजी. अकाउंट में गलती हुआ मतलब स्पेसिफिक अकाउंट में गलती हुआ, राम में गलती नहीं हुआ, तो राम को मैंने क्रेडिट ही किया. हाँ, जब बुक में गलत होगा तो पूरी एंट्री गलत होगी, सेल्स की एंट्री पास होगी. सेल्स की एंट्री क्या है? राम इज अ डेटर टू सेल्स अकाउंट माई इनकम. पूरी एंट्री गलत होगी यदि बुक में गलत हुआ तो, और यदि अकाउंट में गलत हुआ तो स्पेसिफिक अकाउंट गलत हो. आया समझ में? थोड़ा टेक्निकल है पर बेटा इंप्रूव योर लेवल. ओके, समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी बेटा सेल्स को रेक्टिफिकेशन में डेबिट ही दूंगा ना, मुझे आई डोंट वांट सेल्स अकाउंट. तो सेल्स अकाउंट को कैंसिल करने के लिए मुझे डेबिट ही देना पड़ेगा. फिर 6 में डेबिट क्यों दिया? कौन पूछ रहा है ये? मीनू शर्मा जी. 6 में डेबिट क्यों दिया? सेल्स अकाउंट को क्रेडिट किया था. रॉन्ग एंट्री आपको चाहिए क्या? रॉन्ग एंट्री नहीं चाहिए ना, तो आपको अपोजिट इफेक्ट देने. अपोजिट इफेक्ट देने के लिए बेटा यही करना ही पड़ेगा. क्या कर रही हो ऐसा मीनू शर्मा जी? गुंजन देवी बोल रही है सिंपल चे. अरे वेरी इजी रे, वेरी इजी. पुरुषोत्तम मत्तो जी, बेटा आई ऑलवेज रिप्लाई यूर आंसर. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है पुरुषोत्तम जी. इन बुक पर्सनल अकाउंट डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट बोथ साइड, बट इन अकाउंट वी ओपन सस्पेंस अकाउंट. वेरी गुड बेटा. प्राची चोपड़ा, वेरी गुड बेटा, एक नंबर. यस बेटा. क्लियर. ओके. शुड आई गिव यू वन आंसर बेटा? एक एक खुद के लिए करूं? चलो, सी, ट्राई ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. Though you are getting wrong answer, please revise it afterwards. Solve this question once again, minimum 3 times, all entries. These 20 entries will change your total understanding of rectification of errors. Okay? जितना देखो बेटा, जितना मन लगा के देखो, दो टाइप के टीचर्स होते हैं. चलो ठीक, सिखा दिया, हमारे कॉलेज के टीचर्स थे कि हाँ सिखा दिया, समझा तो समझा, नहीं समझा तो नहीं समझा. या इवन मेरे सीए के टीचर्स थे. मैं भी मन लगा के पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना कि हर एक स्टूडेंट को ये समझ में आना चाहिए, तो आप भी उतना ही मन लगा के पढ़िए. मैं कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि जब मैं सिखाता हूं तो अच्छा टीचिंग क्यों आता है, क्योंकि मैं हर स्टूडेंट की कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने का ट्राई करता हूं. मैं आपके बेसिक्स इंप्रूव करने की तरीका देखता हूं. 10 बार वही सेम चीज रिपीट करता हूं. आप एक बार आइए और 2 घंटे का सेशन देखिए, लेके एक बार बोल नहीं पाओगे 2 आवर्स तक. तो प्लीज एक सीखने का एक आप में ना पूरा का पूरा मेहनत करके सीखना ही है. मेरा टारगेट मुझे तोड़ना ही है आज का. ऑल 20 एंट्रीज ऐसा है ना, 100% दीजिए आपका, तो और मजा आएगा आपको. यस बेटा, ये इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. यस बेटा, ओनली 2 क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू इन ब्रेक. बिफोर ब्रेक बेटा, आई एम गिविंग यू 2 क्वेश्चन. सेल्स ऑफ ₹100 to Mr. Anand is wrongly recorded. Let's see, in purchase return book, and 9th number same entry but in account. Chalo, take a break. We'll meet within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Yes. Take a break, beta. Fast, fast, fast. And in break, please answer this question. Let's see who is answering. जिगर जी, ब्रेक ले लीजिए. हाँ ठीक है, आज मैं 1:15 तक लूंगा. ओके. चलिए, so what is the wrong entry beta? Sales account, wrong entry, correct entry, rectification entry. So first one, correct entry. Correct entry is Anand account debit 100 to sales 100, but wrongly recorded in purchase return book. So Anand account debit to purchase return account. So beta, here, sorry. Beta, purchase return has a credit balance. Anand to purchase return. So rectification entry. So Anand is correct in this question. Here Anand is correct. So in rectification entry, per sales is credited, first credit sales. Rule is very simple. And opposite effect for purchase return because it is in the correct wrong entry. So this is the Anand account debit to purchase return account. And in 10th number, so this is beta book mein answer of 8, sorry, answer of 8 and answer of 9. Anand account debit 100 to sales account 100. Now Anand is recorded correctly. So here Anand is recorded correctly, but purchase return account is wrong. So in this beta, both answers are same. Both answers are same. Why both answers are same? Logic is very simple. Logic is very simple. Yes, I will tell you why both answers are same. Here. See beta, in 6th and 7th entry, purchase has debit balance and sales has credit balance. Okay, but here sales also credit balance and return account is also has a credit balance, and therefore no suspense account here. Here account and book will give the same answer. This is a logic of sales account and purchase return account. So those students who made a mistake, yes, how many of you made the mistake? Yes, कितने लोगों ने mistake किया? So both will give the same answer. Both are coming same. Yes, ऐसा किसने लिखा है? वरुण जी ने. Very good, वरुण जी. दोनों का आंसर क्यों सेम आया? Think logically. One is credit and another is also credit. And in 7-8 entry, both are, one is debit and second one is a credit, and therefore suspense account is there. Here there is no suspense account, as there is both are having credit balance. Very good. Kushal Kumar is saying I done it correctly. Lisa Jain, because P and R and sales both have credit balance. Very good, Lisa Jain. Very good. Yes. चलो, should I move to 10th entry बेटा? चलो 10th entry पे move करना है. So you got the difference between book and account. So tell me what is the difference between book and account entry बेटा? चलो fast बोलो. Book में और account में क्या गलती है? क्या अलग अलग है बेटा? जल्दी बोलो. Yes. Okay. Book और account में क्या क्या अलग अलग है? Yes बेटा. Very good, कनिष्क शर्मा जी. Very good बेटा, कनिष्क शर्मा. चलो, try one more question. चलो बोलिए. A check received from Prakash got dishonor and posted to debit of sales return account. Tell me fast. Yes, right. Check from Prakash got dishonor and posted to debit of sales return account. Yes, everyone tried beta. Now what is the entry? Correct entry is check dishonor. Check dishonor. So entry is now Prakash account debit because Prakash again becomes debtor. Assume 100 rupees to bank because bank balance we have to reverse it. We received check at that time, we passed entry bank to Prakash, but now it gets dishonor, so opposite effect. What is the wrong entry beta? Sorry, sales return is debited. Sales return account debit, but beta bank is correctly. It doesn't mean that bank is wrongly recorded. Debit is wrong. It doesn't mean credit is wrong. तो डेबिट गलत है, इसका मीनिंग क्रेडिट गलत नहीं है बेटा. 100 bank correct. So correct entry same bank same. So correct entry same balance. Prakash account debit to sales return account. To sales return account. Prakash account debit to sales return account. Sales return is going to cancel. Okay. Chalo. Next one. Try one more. Goods purchase from X. I'm giving you exactly one minute. Huh? Rupees 100 debited to his personal account. Chalo, try this. Goods purchased from X debited to his personal account. Chalo, fast. 1 minute. Chalo, try 1 minute, 1 minute. Very good, beta Sankaldeep. th entry. Sorry. This is 11th entry. लीजा जैन, ऊपर के एंट्री में क्या था, बाकी लोग अपना कीजिए, जिनको समझ गया वो 10th एंट्री कर लीजिए, 11th एंट्री कीजिए। ऊपर के एंट्री में बेटा प्रकाश टू बैंक, पर हमने डेबिट किसको दिया, सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट को। सेल्स रिटर्न को डेबिट दिया, इसका मतलब बैंक को क्रेडिट हमने करेक्टली किया, हमने डेबिट गलत अकाउंट को किया। इट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉम्पेंसेटिंग एरर। क्या बोलते हैं इसको, कॉम्पेंसेटिंग एरर। और यू मे कॉल इट एज बेटा इसको आप बोल सकते हो यस एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑल्सो, मतलब डेबिट डेबिट भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि प्रकाश इज अ पर्सनल अकाउंट, सेल्स रिटर्न इज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट। ओके, तो लीजा जैन समझ में आया होगा आपको, ऐसा एज्यूम करता हूं मैं। गुड्स परचेस फ्रॉम एक्स, ओके, परचेस फ्रॉम एक्स इज परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट 100 to X account 100. Purchase to X 100 because X is my creditor. But debited his personal account. So, but it doesn't mean that purchases is not recorded. Many students, what mistakes normally they do? They record X only debited to suspense. No, purchases is correctly recorded. Purchases is correctly recorded, but instead of giving debit to X, sorry, credit to X, we have debited. So इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा, परचेस को करेक्टली डेबिट दिया, पर एक्स को क्रेडिट करना चाहिए था, अरे एक्स को डेबिट दे दिया रे, तो एक्स को डेबिट दे दिया टू सस्पेंस। परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट, एक्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू सस्पेंस। परचेस परचेस 2x 100 क्रेडिट है ना, 2x 100 एंड बेटा x इज अगेन कैंसल्ड इन रॉन्ग एंट्री, सो x को क्रेडिट किया एंड सस्पेंस अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड बाय 200। गॉट दिस? सी बेटा, once in Hindi, purchase account debit to X, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू एक्स, इट डजंट मीन कि हमने एक्स को डेबिट किया, इसका मतलब परचेस को रॉन्ग लिखा, परचेस इज करेक्ट। परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट, एक्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू सस्पेंस अकाउंट। सो बेटा परचेस परचेस सेम सेम छे, एंड एक्स वी आर गोइंग टू कैंसल एंड 1x इज क्रेडिटेड, मींस x इज क्रेडिटेड, हमने दो बार x को क्रेडिट किया, एक करेक्ट एंट्री का, एक रॉन्ग एंट्री का रिवर्स किया और सस्पेंस को डेबिट किया। गॉट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? यस, समझा या नहीं समझा अभी? प्लीज, if you are getting wrong answer, beta it is hidden meaning. Yes, Baraktulla ji, it is hidden meaning that x is debited, it doesn't mean that purchases is not correct. ये आप गलत assumption लोगे, x को डेबिट दिया इट डजंट मीन कि परचेस भी रॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड किया, अरे परचेस तो बराबर रिकॉर्ड किया, एंड दिस एरर इज कॉल्ड एज एरर ऑफ कमीशन। दिस एरर इज कॉल्ड एज एरर ऑफ कमीशन, you can write in front of that, this is error of commission. Next one, try next one. Discount received rupees 20 not entered। राधिका जी नहीं, आपके टेक्स्ट आते हैं मुझे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड रुपीज 20 नॉट एंटर्ड इज नॉट एंटर्ड इन कैश बुक, इन कैश बुक। लेट्स सी, नॉट एंटर्ड इन कैश बुक, चलो फास्ट, Discount received rupees 20 is not entered in cash book. But when entry is not entered in cash book, it means whole entry, red pen. It means red pen, no entry is recorded. In book means no entry. This is a hidden meaning. Mark it as IMP. So beta, what is directly you will rectify the entry. So what is the correct entry? Correct entry is creditor's account debit to discount received. And wrong entry is no entry. So rectification entry, creditor's account debit to discount received, IMP entry. If cash book you entered wrong, it means whole entry is wrong. Correct hai? Now this is important one. Yes. कैश बुक में एंट्री गलत हुआ मतलब होल एंट्री इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज एरर ऑफ ओमिशन. एरर ऑफ ओमिशन. नो बेटा, नो सस्पेंस अकाउंट. कनिष्ठ जी यू आर रॉन्ग बेटा. बुक में एंट्री गलत मतलब होल एंट्री इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांजैक्शन. INP. What ICI expects? You are not recorded it. Not only creditors also not posted. In book entry is wrong. Book and account here both are same. So in cash book, remember this is what is the expectation of ICI. Next one. Purchase of, let's see how many of you are answering. Purchase of rupees 67 wrongly debited to purchase account, sorry, debited creditors account as rupees 60. Let's see how many of you can answer it. 1 minute you have. Start. Beta, this is only like quiz, na? No one answered it correctly, beta. No one. No one answered correctly. Let's see. What is the correct entry? Purchases account debit 67. You are not reading this question. Please read this properly. Purchases debit to creditor 67. You wrongly debit creditor's account. So purchases account debit, it is correctly recorded. But creditor's account you debited by 60. And to suspense 127. Please read it carefully. Read it. Purchase correct. 2 creditors 67. That is for correct entry. And wrong entry we have to cancel. Understand it carefully. And suspense will be debited. No one answered correctly, beta. No one. Who answered correctly? Suspense to creditors. Snehajpreet Kaur from NRO. She answered 127. Another one, Monu Singh. Wrong answer, beta. Though you answer, please follow my technique. Same. Correct entry, wrong entry. Then you will get the answer. वरुण ने बराबर आंसर दिया. धारवी ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया. मिस्टेक्स. Kanishk Sharma wrong. Lisa Jain is not writing even amounts. She answered only suspense to creditors. Amount आप ही आपका ढूंढ लो. कनिष्क तो पूरा ही रॉन्ग आंसर दे रहा है और एक ही आंसर 4 बार भेज रहा है. बेटा कनिष्क डोंट डू दिस थिंग्स. रोहन ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया. रुचिता ने करेक्ट दिया. एक आंसर करेक्ट देने को अपने को रुको, समझ लो. प्लीज वेट फॉर सम टाइम बिफोर पासिंग एनी एंट्री. फर्स्ट see what is given in the question and then answer it. Next one. Check received. I don't want now wrong answer. Huh? Check received from Prakash, or we will assume हाँ ठीक है चलो. Prakash got dishonor and debited to allowance account. Allowance means discount account. Yes. Write down. Check received from Prakash, wrongly recorded in Ritika. Please now, it's not possible मैं हर एंट्री को आपको समझाऊंगा. परचेसेस रॉन्गली डेबिटेड टू क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट, मतलब क्रेडिटर्स को हमने डेबिट दे दिया, परचेस को तो करेक्ट ही रिकॉर्ड किया, तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट बैलेंस नहीं मैच हो रहा है, तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट थोड़ा लेवल इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ईशिका जैन, आपको क्रेडिटर्स ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Because it is given na Ritika, wrongly debited in creditors account. Check received, dishonor. Check received dishonor means bank is cancelled to bank. 100, assume. But we debited allowance account. Allowance is a nominal account to bank. 100. Bank, correct. Correct entry, same effect. To allowance, 100. Over 15 नंबर. चलो थोड़े से एंट्रीज बचे. Total of bills receivable book, write down. Total of bills receivable book unposted unposted rupees 100. What is the bills receivable is an asset. So bills receivable account debit 100, asset is unposted. So same balance to suspense 100. 16th entry. Now write down it properly. Yeah? I want this entry correct. Discount received. Discount received rupees 600 wrongly recorded in discount allowed column. Discount received from X. Wrongly recorded in discount allowed column. Discount received from X, wrongly recorded in discount allowed column. कुछ ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि हमने सोचते ही नहीं एंट्री करने के पहले. You never think before writing answer. अभी अमन कुमार का क्या तो एग्जाम कब हो गया? अरे होगी ना भाई, दिसंबर में होने वाली. आप अभी ये टेंशन लीजिए एंट्रीज का. बी प्रिपेयर. बेटा दिव्या रानी, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू टू राइट ऑल दीज एंट्रीज. Discount received X account debit is my gain. Discount received 100. I have recorded wrongly to which column? Discount allowed column. It doesn't mean that X is written wrongly, beta. X account will be debited and discount allowed account is also debited, and to suspense X correct. What is wrong? Sorry. To discount received same balance 100. Discount allowed opposite balance. And suspense opposite balance 200. Now some students are answering, sir, discount received, better discount received. Cancel your creditor. In the first session only I told you. Discount allowed entry will be discount allowed account debit. Two students answered cash account debit. Cash account कैसे debit होगा रे? How cash account is debited? You have to understand. Bills receivable to suspense and 16th entry. Yes, we passed. 17th entry. Last one of the day. Everyone, please rewatch this session. Write it properly in your notebook and try to solve all questions of study material. So in next session, I will take some important questions. Okay. Chaliye. So ye please have grip on these questions. I already told you how to pass rectification entries. Now in next session, we will take some examples, some questions. accrual of ₹100 for telephone expense completely omitted. Completely omitted. Sorry. Do it ₹100. Otherwise 1200 rupees. Yes, if 600, then it is 1200. Amount wrong हुआ मेरा. Sorry. Amount wrong हुआ. 600 था तो 1200 हो जाएगा. Yes. Telephone expenses accrued. Accrued means what? It is payable. Expenses are payable. So expense account, telephone expense account debit. Telephone expense account debit to outstanding telephone expense or payable. Normally I use payable word. And here also same entry. Error of omission. Expense account debit to no entry in wrong entry, no entry. So same entry in rectification. Telephone expense to outstanding telephone expense or accrued expense or provision for expense or outstanding expense, all are correct words. See beta, some entries you may go wrong. One account is debited, it doesn't mean that second account is wrongly recorded. So understand the word, try to grasp the concept, and then use my technique, same, correct entry, same effect, wrong entry, opposite effect. So in 3 steps, you are dividing your answer. First, you are writing correct entry, wrong entry, whatever the same balance that won't come in the rectification entry. Correct entry will be posted on the same side, same balances, and wrong entry, opposite balances. तो सेम बैलेंसेस आपको करेक्ट एंट्री के लिखने और रॉन्ग एंट्री के अपोजिट बैलेंस लिखने. प्लीज टेक दिस चैप्टर सीरियसली. Rectification is very easy chapter once you got the basic concepts. So it's my request to all of you, go through all these 17 questions, answer it, and then solve your study material. So in next session, you can answer any question, and if you have any difficulty, that we are going to cover it in the next session. So thank you, and today we'll stop after considering rectification of errors. Cash book video will be uploaded shortly, so don't worry, cash book ka video shortly upload hoga because of that technical problem. Okay, chalo. So good day, and I hope you will study properly. Now it's almost only 3 months are remaining. Yes, technically only 3 months are remaining. August, September, October, November is for your revision. Chalo, thank you beta. Yes, bye bye.